We're all on this quest for that elusive weight loss secret, right? We scroll through endless articles, each promising the magic bullet that will finally shed those stubborn pounds. But what if I told you that sometimes the simplest changes can yield surprisingly effective results? Let's dive into 22 easy ways to lose weight that you might not have considered. First, let's talk about water. It's so basic, yet so powerful. Drinking a glass before meals can help you feel fuller, so you eat less. And then there's the power of portion control. You don't have to deprive yourself. Just use smaller plates. It tricks your brain into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. Next, consider your snacks. Swap out those chips for nuts or fruits. They're packed with nutrients and keep you satisfied longer. Speaking of satisfaction, don't skip breakfast. A hearty meal in the morning can kickstart your metabolism and keep cravings at bay. And when you do eat, chew slowly. It sounds trivial, but it gives your brain time to register fullness. Now, let's get moving. You don't have to hit the gym for hours. Just take the stairs instead of the elevator, or park further away from the store. Little bursts of activity throughout the day add up. And while we're on the topic of movement, how about dancing? Put on your favorite song and just let loose. It's fun, it's freeing, and you'll burn calories without even realizing it. Another surprising tip? Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can mess with your hormones and lead to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night. And don't underestimate the power of mindfulness. Eating while distracted can lead to overeating. Focus on your food, savor each bite, and you might find you need less to feel satisfied. Let's not forget about the power of protein. Incorporating more protein into your meals can help you feel full longer. Think eggs for breakfast or a lean chicken salad for lunch. And if you're a fan of beverages, consider swapping sugary drinks for herbal teas or infused water. You'll cut calories without sacrificing flavor. And here's a fun one. Try cooking at home more often. You control the ingredients, and it's often healthier than takeout. Plus, it can be a creative outlet. Lastly, keep a food diary. Writing down what you eat can make you more aware of your habits and help you make better choices. So, there you have it. 22 surprisingly effective ways to lose weight that don't involve extreme diets or grueling workouts. Sometimes it's the little things that make the biggest difference. Just remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress.